Hello, good morning, and welcome back to another vlog. Today we are walking you through a PPF process on this Range Rover Velar that came into the shop. How do you do PPF? Everybody has this misconception that you put PPF on your car and your car, this point on, is absolutely indestructible. There is nothing to attest to that fact. What PPF does is it protects your paint from rock chips, minor scratches. It's self-healing, so it is self-healing up to an extent. It provides a layer of protection so as to protect from the rest of the things that could possibly damage your paint. Now, if you drive into a wall, the PPF isn't going to protect you. Let's say there's a pillar in your building, right? And you just hard. Touch it. You don't hit it.
I've had some experiences.
No. What would normally leave a scratch in your paint will just leave a scratch in the PPF, so your paint stays protected. The panel that got scratched, the PPF on that specific panel can then be replaced. When it comes to PPF, we're going to talk about the process as to the things you need to do before you can apply PPF. So all of this comes under the prep work for PPF. If your car is brand new as well, it will always go through this prep work. So of course you have to wash the car. After that, you clay bar the car, or clay pad, or clay glove, or clay anything really at this point. You have multiple options as to how to clay a car. Once the claying process is done, we start our 3-step paint correction. The first step, which is a mild cut, it is to restore and revive your paint. We've come to realize that different cars react differently with the different products that we use. So for this Range Rover Velar, we're using Turtle Wax compounds. Now, the mild cut is over. We're in the second stage, which is an absolutely minor cut to remove the very, very small blemishes in the paint. Once you're done with that, which is the second step, we move on to the third step, which is a final polish, what gives the car its gloss. So the pearl in the paint really pops. And remember, whenever you plan on taking your PPF off, because she went through so much prep work, your paint is going to look brand spanking new underneath. So now we're going to finish up the paint correction process on the Velar, and we will catch up with you guys once that's done and we are applying the PPF on the car.
My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's slowing in tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, this shit going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Young Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me.
What's the green part?
Finishing compound, which is the last step in the 3-step detail, and this is the spider cut finishing pad, so it actually opens up as the thing increases speed. That keeps it a little bit cooler. And the compound I'm using is right here. So this is T30, which is Turtle Wax. So we kind of needed something that was a little more aggressive, that would make the color pop a little more. So we're using the T30 with this 3D spider cut finishing pad. So we finished the polish, or rather the 3-step detail on the Velar. So there's quite a bit of dust that came off because we used a new pad this time around. We used a Rupes blue pad for our first step with the Turtle Wax compound. That was our first pad. The second pad obviously was 3D wool pad. It's a little coarse, so what it does is it removes those finer swirls that were still left in the paint. And finally we used the 3D spider cut pad for our finish, which is my favorite pad. So she's going through a final wash immediately after the polish is complete, because we're getting ready for the PPF. So this is another decontamination wash that is happening. Once she goes back in, she'll be washed again with IPA. PPF is a very long drawn process, but it is definitely worth it. If you want the best protection for your car, there's PPF and nothing else. So yeah, that's what we've done. We will see you guys while the PPF is going on the car.
She going crazy. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Young Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my niggas, they never betray me. Met all these niggas, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Weezy produced it and Weezy have made me, and she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trusted my
Good morning, everyone, and it is quite literally the morning because it is 2:20 in the AM. We finished the PPF on the Velar. Yes, it took till 2:20 in the morning because we had to waterless wash the entire car. because we don't spray any water on it to get into, places where the PPF might be coming out for us to reseal. But the PPF is done. The car looks fantastic. Honestly, it is shining. And on that bombshell, it's time to end. Please guys, like, subscribe and follow, because we have a lot more detailing vlogs and a lot more vlog content coming up, as well as a lot of car content as well. So we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.